Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Fidelity account, full guide. Sign in, secure your account, and review your dashboard first. Start by checking your personal information and contact preferences, then link your bank for transfers. Familiarize yourself with account types, balances, and recent activity. Set up alerts and tax document preferences so nothing surprises you later. Keep a secure recovery method to avoid losing access. Connect a bank account to fund your Fidelity accounts and verify microdeposits quickly. Choose between one-time transfers, recurring transfers, or direct deposit for paychecks. Review contribution rules for IRAs, HSA, and brokerage accounts to stay within limits. Use the transfer page to move money between Fidelity accounts or to external institutions. Keep an eye on transfer times and any linked bank holds to plan trade. Open the Trade tab to place market, limit, or stop orders for stocks and ETFs with confidence. Use Fidelity research tools and screeners to compare investments and view analyst ratings. Review order confirmations and expected settlement dates before finalizing trades. Consider fractional shares or dividend reinvestment for smaller balances. Use the mobile app for on-the-go monitoring and alerts so you can act on opportunities or adjust positions when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.